All right, folks. Today we've got one of the most ridiculous sovereign citizen cases I've ever seen. This guy shows up in the Court of Appeals, trying to dodge child support with an argument so absurd you honestly have to hear it to believe. I can't tell if he thinks he's a genius or if he just skipped the entire curriculum on common sense. Either way, this is comedy gold, if it weren't so sad. So here's my question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how low do you think this guy's IQ is? And does he actually stand a chance at dodging child support? Or is he just digging himself into a legal crater? This guy is reaching so hard it hurts. It's crystal clear. He's just trying to wriggle out of his responsibilities. And get this. He actually complains that it's messed up the state wants biological data to prove he's the father. My dude, that's not a conspiracy. It's called biology. How else are we supposed to confirm you're the dad? Tarot cards? If you're not the father, cool. Case closed. But if you are, you don't get to ghost the whole situation. Honestly, I don't even think he's a true sovereign. Citizen, he's just borrowing their nonsense to duck out on his kid. And that's messed up. Kids need support. Financial, emotional, all of it. Walking into court with a sovereign citizen script to avoid paying for your child? That's not just wrong, it's diabolical. What do you think? Is this guy just playing games? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep it rolling. So this guy actually says he wants to see the contract that gives the state authority to request his biological data. Like, what are we even talking about? Newsflash. There is no secret contract. It's called family law. If paternity is in question, the court can legally order a DNA test. It's not a conspiracy. It's literally how the system works. There's no gotcha moment waiting to be found. I don't know what he thinks is going to happen here, but I've got a strong feeling the Court of Appeals is going to take one look and hit him with a hard no. Is it obvious he's just trying to skip out on support, or do you think he really believes this stuff? Let me know in the comments, and let's get back. I still don't understand why sovereign citizens think that saying, "I'm a living, breathing human being," will magically make the law disappear. Like, congrats? We're all alive. You don't get a gold star or immunity. They act like it's some secret password. Say the phrase, "escape the court system," as if the judge is going to say, "Oh, my bad. Didn't realize you were breathing. Carry on." It's delusional. Seriously, where do they get this stuff? If anyone knows, please drop a comment. I need answers. But for now, let's get back to the mad. Okay, after that last line, I almost feel bad. Because there's no way he actually believes this is going to work. He says, "Don't hold prejudice against me," like that's going to override state law. What is this? Courtroom Jedi mind tricks. He genuinely seems to think that words alone can change reality. And the wildest part? Someone told him this would work. Look, his argument that the law doesn't apply in state for biological testing isn't the worst thing I've ever heard. But it's definitely not winning any legal battles. And honestly, he should have just hired a lawyer, a real one, with an actual degree, because right now he's just spiraling, every word taking him further off the rails. There has to be a better strategy than arguing the law doesn't apply to you. Spoiler, it always does. So what do you think? Is this guy just wasting everyone's time? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this legal disaster, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More courtroom chaos coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.